वरुण मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी सलमान जी के साथ आपने कोलैबोरेशन किया है, हाउ वाज दैट फीलिंग, कितना एंजॉय किया?
बहुत बहुत अच्छा। इट्स बीन वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड। आजकल लोग सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम पे कोलैबोरेशन कर रहे हैं,
Yeah.
हम लोग एक्चुअल फिल्म में कर रहे हैं प्रॉपर कोलैबोरेशन which feels good, and he's one of a kind, has the largest heart in our business, and I think when you see the film all his fans are going to be very 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 pleased.
Any compliment you got from Salman ji?
वो सीधा कॉम्प्लीमेंट तो देते नहीं है मुझे बस आई मीन ही जस्ट सॉ मी सेड बेबी जॉन बड़ा हो गया बेबी आई मीन आई डोंट नो इफ दैट्स अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट बट या आई मीन वो इन हिज
Hi,
स्टाइल
hi Varun.
Thank you so much. All
थैंक
the
यू
best.
थैंक यू
Hi Varun.
हाय मैम कैसे हो आप
Yeah.
हाय हाय हाउ आर यू
Hi.
मैम
This is Pooja Saman. I would like to ask you, we have earlier also seen many times you are performing quite bold and quite daring stunts. So how difficult this time was doing some stunts, because it's a quite daredevil stunts. Was there any challenges? Did you injured?
No, that's a very good question and बहुत different था because the kind of stunts और जिस तरीके का action हम लोग ने बेबी जॉन में किया it's not usually हम लोग जैसे करते हैं यहाँ पे हमारे जो action directors थे right from Arnal sir to Yannick to Stan Siva to some other ones that we used it's a mix of a lot of international meets Indian stunt masters. I remember one story when I was shooting a very big rain fight in Kerala. I was shooting in Kochi, and before going for the fight, Atlee sir called and just warned me. He said, "Sir, if you don't want to do a stunt, don't do it." He said, "If you don't want to do a certain stunt, please avoid it. You tell Kalis no because he will push you." And then after that, I realized that he called Kalis and told the same thing to Kalis that if Varun says he wants to do something and it's very dangerous, you don't agree. So later on, he told me that you all are both mad, so I have to be careful. You all don't do some crazy things. But that didn't stop Kalis, obviously. He hung me for 6 hours upside down. He made me ride a horse at 5 o'clock in the morning, and a lot of other torture he's done. But
You can only do that. Sir.
Huh?
That's why. You can only do that, sir. That's why.
sir, every actor you say the same thing. You can only do that.
Can we manifest the next produced and directed by Atlee with Kirti in Hindi?
Yeah, of course, for sure. I think as an audience, when I saw the film, I think Kirti is going to create a great attraction towards the audience for sure. 100% she has everything. And in the emotional way, what she has done, I think it's fabulous. It's fabulous.
Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
you were looking beautiful, beautiful bride.
Thank you so much.
Hi Varun, this side. Hi,
Hi,
Vishal
hi.
Ambani here.
What's up? Stand.
Yes, yes.
खड़े हो जा यार, खड़े हो जा. हो जा खड़ा भाई. इतना ताली बजा रहे तेरे लिए.
नहीं वो खड़े होगा तो कैमरा आ जाएगा.
हाँ?
कैमरा में मैं आ जाऊंगा.
नाम क्या है आपका?
विशाल अंबानी पुणे में
विशाल
मिले थे.
अंबानी. हाँ.
पुणे में
पूरा नाम.
विशाल मुकेश अंबानी. वरुण मैं सवाल पे आता हूँ.
Are you the producer of a film?
नो. वरुण मैं सवाल पे आता हूँ.
बोलिए. जुग जियो.
थैंक यू. वरुण जब बी नाम की लेटर आपकी मूवीज में आती है वो हमेशा हिट हुई है. आपके लिए बी काफी लकी रहा है. भेड़िया हो गया, बदलापुर हो गया, नाउ बेबी जॉन, बवाल भी आई थी. तो डू यू थिंक बी लेटर इज योर की टू सक्सेस?
विशाल जी, अंबानी जी. ये
और सबसे खास बात है मेरे चैनल का भी नाम बजुका है तो वो भी बी से ही है.
सर आपके तो बहुत चैनल है. बट सर बात तो सही है, बात में दम है. एंड बेबी जॉन एक बम है जो 25 दिसंबर को फटेगा, और कितना बड़ा फटेगा क्रिसमस पे, दैट आई थिंक द ऑडियंस हैज टू डिसाइड. जनता जनार्दन. सो फॉर मी इट्स ऑलवेज द ऑडियंस. I mean, I don't get into this. I hope so. It's going to be lucky again. I pray. But सब जनता जनार्दन हम लोग पिक्चरें ऑडियंस के लिए बनाते हैं, and them liking it and them disliking it, they decide. They are the decider. So सब ऑडियंस के ऊपर है.
Varun, hi. So I wanted to ask you one thing. So when there is a kid involved during the filming, kids are very honest with their feedback. What was that one feedback that you probably got from Zara?
Why are you taking so many takes? Do it quickly. And yeah, if something, see, for a child, you're right. If a child, something she doesn't find pure or real, if the emotion is not real, then they don't connect because they don't know the real difference between acting and real life. They are not making that distinction as yet. Whatever emotion they're showing, वो लोग 100% दिखा रहे. तो Zara, every emotion had to be real for her to feel it. Whether it was giving cues, whether the way we would talk in scenes, the way we would communicate with each other. She's a very spontaneous actor, और वो comedy भी बहुत करती है. But she's really adorable. Yeah,
She's the star of the film.
Yeah, she is the star.
Zara, you'll answer one question for me?
Yeah, she'll answer.
She talks a lot.
You ask.
She
What
can
do you
talk
want to
a
ask?
lot.
से क्या पूछना क्या है आपको?
So I want to ask Zara, how was it working with Varun sir for you, Zara?
अच्छा, 1 minute. Take.
It was very fun, and I really learned how to listen now.
Good answer.
Thank you. You are very adorable.
Thanks.
पूछ लो, she's answering.
कुछ और
I think
पूछना
you
है
guys
ज़ारा
should-
से?
She's in the mood. You guys should ask the questions now.
हाँ बोलो पाजी बोलो उधर से. पूछो. Who was your best friend on the set?
Buddy. Buddy.
Buddy, oh. You said Amol. She means you or she means no? She means.
How much did you train her, Amol?
I mean, this guy is your best friend. He's not even his best friend's best friend. Okay. Oh my. Okay. Sorry. He is a good guy. He looks like Santa Claus. Even we love him.
Second favorite?
Okay. Second favorite.
Second favorite?
It's Vamika, ma'am.
I love you.
Hello.
Third favorite?
Also that.
Also that.
Position पे हम दोनों हैं.
Thank you.
Hello. Loving the Bond. Hi. On your left, Rutunjay here from Pop Diaries. The trailer looks amazing. The poster looks amazing. And I think this is going to be larger than life cinema, as Varun, you said earlier. My question is to Atlee or Kalis or whoever can take this question. Like, past 2 years have been full of cameos, films filled with cameos. And whichever film which has cameo did well. So for filmmakers, is it a conscious decision now to have a cameo or a big surprise in the film?
See, we are entertainers. We go all out to entertain the audience. And cameos are, in certain films, are made for make a added advantage to the film. But certain films have cameos which even the script demands. I think if I have to say about Baby John, it has both. It needed an added advantage. At the same time, the script demanded someone in a very, very, very big scale who can be the boss of everyone. So he's going to be the boss of everyone. That's the snippet I can give. So someone has to be very big. So I asked Morad sir if Salman sir can do it, it will be great. Then it immediately happened.
Varun